Okay, so I'm going to talk about how to find certain points on a graph of an exponential function. So an equation to do this would be f of x equals y, and that will just be needed for the future. So in part A, find f of 2. So we would just plug the 2 in for the x. So when x is 2, we would come down here to the graph. When x is 2, y would equal 1. So the points would be 2, 1. And part B, find f of 0. Same thing for part A. We would plug 0 in for x. So when x is equal to 0, y equals 2. So the point would be 0, 2. Now for C and D, it's a little different because the -1 means it's an inverse. So for this equation, it would basically be just like f of y equals x. It's just flipped. So when the inverse of f of x is 2 would be when y equals 2, we go over here, when y equals 2, x would equal 0. And if you notice, this is the same exact thing, except the formulas are different, so it looks different. So, and then the last part, D, find the inverse of x when f of 4, and when f of x is 4. So when y equals 4, we'd go up here, when y equals 4, and go over x equals -2. So it would be -2, 4. And that's how you find a certain point on an exponential graph.